we made it to Naples. Naples, Florida is an interesting place I've never been to before. It is Monday and it is packed. It's also not spring break or summertime or anything like that. It's just a regular old Monday. And there are no shortage of people sitting out, enjoying the restaurants and shopping. So we're gonna be here for a couple hours. We're gonna go wander around, look. I'm gonna walk down to the beach right now because I want to see the water, but come along with me and see what we can get into here in Naples. Now, one thing I find interesting is there's no shortage of construction going on down here. It's almost 6 o'clock at night, and this guy's over here dropping out building materials still. Well, we made it all the way down to the water, and it was pretty. It's hot and sandy, and I made the mistake of wearing tennis shoes. And since I woke up this morning in Macon, I have jeans on. It was much colder when I got dressed this morning than it is here now. Anyway, we're gonna be in the Keys in a couple of days, so we're gonna use our beach time there. So now we're gonna head back up to 5th Avenue, walk our way back up, see what we can find, and take a look at the sights. Like a moke. I don't know if you can rent these. Should find out. Well, Naples is definitely like no place I've ever tried to get a feel for in a short amount of time. This is a very busy place with a lot going on. So Naples is cool, but bring your wallet and bring your walking shoes. Also bring some shorts, other things that might be a little more comfortable. Anyway, we're gonna keep looking. The one thing I thought was really nice is the city does provide a couple of free parking lots, parking garages. One of them even has EV chargers, but they were full, so we didn't get to use it.